Solving Leetcode 1829. The question name is maximum XOR for each query. So it is a medium level question of Leetcode, but the question is saying that you are given a sorted array nums of n non-negative integer and an integer maximum bit. You want to perform the following query n times. So what are the operation we need to perform? So basically, find a non-empty integer k which is smaller than 2 raised to power maximum bit such that the nums of 0 XOR nums of 1 XOR dot 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 XOR of nums of length minus 1 XOR k is maximized. So we need to maximize the XOR and we need to find the value of k for each ith query. Remove the last element from the current array nums. Return an array nums where answer of I is the answer to the ith query. So let's take an example. So in this question, I am given 0, 1, 1, 3 and maximum bit is 2. So first of all, we will take the XOR of all the operations, all the numbers, and we need to find the value of k such that the XOR of these and XOR of these with the k is maximized. So if we choose the value of 0, if we choose the value of k as 0 and we perform 0 XOR 1 XOR 1 XOR 3 XOR with k, which I have taken 0, it will be 3 and it is the maximum one. In another step, I will be neglecting this and I need to find the value of k such that this value will be maximized. So for this, my I will choose the value k as 3 and I will perform the XOR of 3, 1, 1 and the kth value which is 3 in my case, which I will be getting 3. And each step I will maintain the sequence of k which I have chosen. So at first I have chosen k equal to 0, secondly I have chosen k equal to 3. In the third step I will neglect this and I will need to find the value of k such that this XOR will be maximized. The 0, so I will be setting the value of k as 2. So the 0 XOR 1 XOR 2 will be 3, which is the maximum. So I will put the value of k here, which is 2. Similarly, I will neglect this and find the value of k for this element. So let's see how I am doing. So I am doing my second example, which is 2, 3, 4, and 7 with a maximum bit of 3. So first of all, we write the binary representation of each number. So take 2 can be represented like this, 3 can be represented like this, 4 can be represented like this, and 7 can be represented like this. So for each step we need to find the XOR of each element which are uh, part of the ith query. Okay, so let's say first of all we find the XOR of each elements. What will the XOR of each elements? The XOR will be 1 XOR 1 0. How will we find the XOR? We'll find the number of ones. If they are multiple of 2, we will write 0. If it is not multiple of 2, we will write 1. The number of ones here are 2, so I will write 0 over here. In this bit, in this column, how many bits are 1? So 1 to 3 bits are there. So I will write 1, which is not the multiple of 2, as it is not the multiple of 2. Similarly here, there are 2 ones. So I will write 0 as it is the multiple of 2. And similarly, it will be 0 here. Okay. Now, what I need to do is I need to find the kth value so that it can be maximized. How can it be maximized? And also my key value is smaller than 2 power maximum bit, which means that if I am given 2 power 3, I can only use 3 bits over here to maximize it. So to maximize it, what will be my value of key? It should be 1 0 1. Okay, so this way my value will be maximized. Okay, 2 power 3. So I can also take one more element over here. So I will take 1 over here, maximize the bit. So what is the value of this? This is 1 2 4 8. Sorry, my value of k was 3. So I can take 3 bits. So to maximize it, I need to find the maximum XOR. So to maximize the XOR, I need to complement this area only. Okay, the complement of this is this, and which perform the XOR this, which gives the maximum XOR. And this is the value of k. What is the value of k? It is 4 plus 1 5. Therefore my output of ith first query is 5. Now if I take this only, if I do not take this value, this integer, and I need to find the answer for my second query. So what I will do, I will be doing the similar stuff. I will find the XOR of this. It will be 1. uh, it will be 1, it will be 0, it will be 1, it will be 0. I need to find the 3-bit number, okay, such that the XOR is maximized. To maximize the array, I will just complement the number. This is the way my XOR will be maximized. 1 1 1. What is the value here? It is 2. Therefore my second integer of the answer is 2. Similarly, we will do the same operation for this and then for 2 only. Now the question is how I can just complement it. So you can just complement it. Just you have calculated the XOR. This was your XOR over here, and I need to find the value of k from it, which is 0 1 0 in my case. What I will do is, first of all, I will make a 1 1 1, set all the bits of my maximum bit as 1 1 1. Okay, so maximum bit was 3, so I have set 3 bit as 1 and all else are 0, and then I will find the XOR of it. What will the XOR? 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is the same integer, and this will be my answer for the ith query. So let's see the code. This is my class solution. This is my function, which is accepting nums array and maximum bit. First of all, I will form the mask all set to 1 up to maximum bit count. Okay, what I'm doing is, it is giving 3. So in my case, my maximum bit was 3. So 2 power 3 is 8. 8. How can I represent 8? I can represent 8 like this. But I want a mask of all set by 3. So I will subtract 1 from it and it will become like this. This is my answer array of size answer.length. Answer, I am setting the answer of last as nums of 0 XOR mask because it is the single nums and it can be and its answer can be calculated just by XORing it with the mask. Then I am iterating from I equal to 1 to nums.length. I am setting the nums of I as nums of I XOR nums of I minus 1. So at each operation, first of all, I will start from here. I will perform at each step I am XORing it with my previous element. Okay, so 2 XOR 3 I will calculate and perform the mask and perform the XOR with the mask, and I am setting the answer of length nums dot length minus I minus 1 as nums of I XOR mask because I want to arrange them into in reverse order. Therefore, I used this over here. At last, I will be returning my answer. So when my I equal to 2, when my I equal to 2, and at this, I have calculated the XOR of 2 and 3. And I need to calculate the XOR of 2, 3 and 4. So I will just XOR my 2 with the previous calculated. It contains the XOR of 2 and 3. I will, and then what I will do is I will find the XOR of this with the previous, which contains the XOR of 2 and 3. So there I will contain 2 XOR 4 XOR 3. It contains only 2. It contains 2 XOR 3. I need to calculate 2 XOR 4 XOR 3. It has 2 XOR 3. I will just XOR it with my current element, which is 2 XOR 3 XOR 4, which is which can be calculated by previous element. Therefore, I have done this over here. At last, I will be returning my answer. Thank you.